I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the ruler and your setup. Place the PDRuler across the bridge of your nose so the 0 mm mark rests at your left pupil center. This gives a stable baseline. Once done, make sure your head is level and eyes are relaxed, not squinting. Hold the ruler steady with one hand or have an assistant secure it. This initial alignment matters because every millimeter changes lens centering and precision here saves adjustments later. Next, focus on measuring. Look straight at a distant, neutral point roughly 3 to 4 meters away so your eyes relax. This prevents false constriction. Note the mark that lines up with the center of your left pupil, then read the mark at the right pupil center. Record each to the nearest 0.5 mm. Once done, repeat the process one more time and average both readings. Averaging cancels small parallax or placement shifts, improving accuracy for the final PD. Finally, compute your PD and confirm it. Subtract the left pupil reading from the right to get total PD in millimeters, or use each monocular PD for lens centering in asymmetric frames. Once done, verify by trying the glasses or overlaying the ruler on your finished lenses. Alignment should match PD. If measurements differ by more than 1.5 millimeters between repeats, remeasure with a helper. Small shifts in ruler angle cause most errors, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.